Almost like I know what I'm doing, right?
Yeah. Jelly baby. Jelly baby. I think that's what it says. But it's interesting that even Ponzi picked our grapes. They were active turbines.
I'm retired from high school teaching and I miss it.
I just don't like the weather.
Well, thank you, Brian. We're in the
Public schools,
It was in
The
Jefferson.
sun is so bright.
outer southeast.
You did?
Mike doesn't know.
Jefferson?
Deterrent to me.
Yeah, my friend is blind and she had glioblastoma.
Just do this to show you and then we'll grab more. So this kind of tilts back and forth just a little bit, so you can use that a little bit to get these secure. Okay. And then handle goes in there. You just gotta tighten them. And it just sticks in. There's no noise in there. they either, the way that I think about it is if you look at it from, so when you guys are ready to get that gunk out, Dan knows how to take apart the press. I've got a wheelbarrow down here, and all bits need to go in there. I'm purposefully keeping it kind of far away because the bees love the skins and the stems, so I want them farther away from people. What's the problem, Papa?
Forgot how to speak English.
Yeah, can't do it anymore. You can speak, you know, get a degree in classic fruit or something.
What are your kids?
You want to strike?
What's that?
He's striking?
Yeah, striking. I've been striking for 4 years.
Stomped every year.
We did not do it every year.
Oh my goodness.
This?
Okay, Maddie.
So don't get used to it, there's a long line out here.
Wow.
Are you guys getting maximum satisfaction?
Yes. Oh, where should I swim instead of
really
stand?
good now. All right, so I do this, and then do I go straight in from here, or do I?
Oh, it doesn't matter too much to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not really like breaking it down. It's like,
Oh.
Hey Dan, can you take a picture for us?
It's a different sensory experience.
does it need to like go a whole lot more? Like it looks pretty squished.
Everybody.